you, can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me? Hello, is my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, all right. See, Aruna, are you ready? See, last time when I has given mock test. Okay, so today Aruna is going to give the mock test. Okay, Aruna, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I just walked through your resume. So it says you have overall 4+ years of experience in SAP FICO as a consultant. So tell me what kind of roles and responsibilities you handle, and you tell about yourself also.
Yeah, myself, Aruna, I have overall 8 years of experience and relevant experience is 4 years. Um, Currently, I'm working in HP and I did projects to support projects and one implementation project. Currently, I'm working in support project. My client name is Jabil. It is US-based client. It is manufacturing. They're manufacturing the elevators. Currently, I'm working in support project. In support project, I handle the different issues in FI module like GL, AP, AR, and asset accounting as per SLA, and prepare the end user manuals and support to the end users, give the training to the end users, and attend the guide sessions. Any new issues came and keep in logbox and attend the meetings. And coming to my implementation project, I did involved in that partially in implementation project. In implementation project, um, create the enterprise structure like company codes, credit control area, and chart of accounts, face status, fiscal year where it maintained, and involved that foreign currency revaluation and accounts payable, and another payment processing like APP, FBZP, and involved the accounts receivable turning process and asset accounting sort of depreciation, and involved the FIMM integration and STFI integration, and I did work and create the partner profile and upload the data balances using for the LSMW, and involve the CO as well, like create the cost element, cost centers, and have an idea about profit center accounting and COPA. Yes, sir, that's it.
Okay, fine. So you said you have involved in the creation of the cost center and profit center. So this is completely user activity, right? Our master data team. So
Oh,
how you involved in this creation of cost centers, profit centers?
sorry, sir, I didn't get your question.
Okay, so you says you have involved in the creation of cost centers and profit centers, right? So is there any team for creation of cost center, master data, profit center, or only consultant will do this activity?
Controlling team is this.
Okay, then you tell. Then you told that you involved in the master data creation.
No, sir. As per client requirement, any urgent thing that time we had involved in that master data creation.
Okay. Okay, so tell about your client details.
My client name is Jobil. It is a US-based client. This client is in around 60 countries is available. They're manufacturing the elevators. These elevators is for the manufacturing of these elevators to get the material and services from different vendors and customers.
Okay, so how many company codes are there with your client?
4 company codes.
Okay. So have you done end-to-end implementation or partial?
Partially I did involved.
Okay, so what kind of configurations you have done?
I did infrastructure and payment process, and dunning, and chart of depreciation.
Okay, so these are completely basic, right?
Yes, sir.
Enterprise structure, what kind of configurations you have done?
Company code, and chart of accounts, fiscal year variant, and posting periods.
Have you involved
Uh,
FI2SD integration, DME, iDocs?
yes, I involved FIMM integration, FIST integration, IDOCS.
Okay, tell me what is the T code for creation of the billing document?
Creation of billing document, FDES 22. FDES 22.
Okay, with the sales order.
Sales order.
Yeah, with the sales order, there is a billing document, right?
Yes, sir.
VF01.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so at the time of creation of billing document, if user is not user is getting an error, okay, so it's like a billing document is not generating. So tell me, so how you will resolve this issue?
Uh, check that PGI.
So what could be the billing document is not generating?
Maybe tolerance is not applicable, because of that amount is not allowed for that much.
Oh no. Okay, I'm asking, say at the time of creation of billing document, okay, so accounting document is not generated. This is the error. So user is facing this error. So he writes the P3 ticket. So what is your action plan? How you will resolve this issue? And what kind of factors you will check in the creation of billing document? So user is providing, a user is a user is doing some mistakes, or what kind of action you will do from your side?
I check that what is the error, and why it is not possible. Means I will check the tolerance, and I check that PGA. Then, and I check in that VKY settings also, like any like VKY setting means like any account key is not defined for that billing document to post the entry.
Okay. So in
In that
VKOS
manner,
settings, we need to assign the GL account, right? So what are the factors we need to consider while assigning the GL accounts in VKOA?
that is application and condition type, and chart of accounts, and account assignment group for material, and sales revenue account, and finally account keys. You have to check this.
Okay, so for billing document, I want to add rebates, okay, freight. So where we need to do the configuration for this?
ELB, ELB for account keys. Account key we have to do VKY settings.
Okay, for freight, what is the account key?
Right revenue, ELS.
Rebates,
ELB.
sales deduction,
Sorry?
sales deduction,
ELS.
ERS, sales deduction,
Yeah.
ERP, rebates, ERF, freight, right?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me what is the entry for PGI?
Cost of goods sold account data to inventory account. Here OBYC settings account is there.
Mhm. See, at the time of cost of goods sold, right? Cost of goods sold. What is the transaction key for cost of goods sold?
Transaction.
What is the transaction key. What is the transaction key for cost of goods sold? Transaction key for inventory.
BSX.
But cost of goods sold, what is the transaction key? GBP.
I don't have this.
GBP, right?
Sir.
For GBP, what
GBP
is,
for offset.
yeah, cost of goods sold GBP. For GBP, tell me what kind of account key, account group, like in general modifier need to take. Account modifier.
GBP for VBT, like VBR, sir.
For GBP, what kind of general modifier you'll take?
For consumption VBR, sir, and delivery of the VAY, sir.
Okay. What is the entry for goods issued to production order?
Issue to production order means consumption of the account, sir. Consumption of the goods account data to increase or decrease of the stock account.
Okay, tell the transaction keys for these two debit cards.
For consumption of the raw material for that VBR, sir. And increase of stock change account means BSC, sir. BSV for stock change.
Okay. So have you involved in IDOCs?
Yes, sir.
Chain or any supporting activities?
So I did involved only create the partner profile only, sir.
Okay, what about issues resolution, etc.? So tell me in W02 we have records, right? What kind of records are there? And what is the what are the fields will be there in that?
In the IDAC structure, we have three types of records is there, sir. Control record, data record, and status record. In that control record, in that control record, we have to maintain that data about that partner profile. We have to maintain the IDAC type and basic type, message type, and in that partner profile, we have to maintain that partner number and partner type and partner type, partner number, and partner profile. We have to maintain like sender and the receiver partner profiles. We have maintained and maintain that port also. Port is nothing but a medium between this SAP system to another system. Is allowing for the data
What
to
is
be
the
maintained.
creation?
Sorry, sir.
What is the T code for port creation? How many types of ports are there?
We have two types of ports is there, sir. And create for port is WE21 and we have two types of ports is the TRFC and RFC. This TRFC port for we have to give the target and destination source and target destination we are providing. I did involve that this creating of the port this no I when creating this port I just know when I'm involving that to create the partner profile.
Okay, what kind of issues it resolved in the IDOCs?
Documents is documents is not documents are locked.
Okay. Okay, tell me in you involved into a partial configuration part, right? So implementation. So tell me, you have involved chart of accounts creation, enterprise structure, and what is next?
Sir, I didn't get your question, sir.
Okay, so you have involved in the configuration of chart of accounts, enterprise structure, and what is next?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is next means so what kind of configuration you have done?
OBY6 global.
Okay, have you involved in DME?
No, sir.
Okay, so have you involved in document splitting concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why document splitting is required?
For reporting purpose, mainly we are using for document splitting is reporting purpose. And every document we can't split that equal balances. So that's what it came to the document splitting. This document splitting for the client based on the client requirement.
What
Like say,
that we can generate through document splitting?
and we need to get that report for segment wise report and profit center wise report and a balance means business area wise will get reporting and these document splitting for that uh, uh, need to meet the specific characteristics also. That that's what we have to do, that document splitting.
Okay. So I want to make a default cost center, default profit center, default segment for all the company codes. Okay, so where should I do this configuration?
Zero balance clearing out we can do, sir.
Default profit center. I'm asking default profit center, default segment.
I don't have idea, sir.
So there is a predefined document splitting rules will be there for which kind of document splitting it is applicable. Predefined configuration rules.
It is active splitting, sir.
So active splitting is applicable to clearing transactions or only invoices.
Is applicable for clearing transactions and transaction clearing for passive splitting, sir, and active splitting for that invoices. Invoices also for passive splitting only, sir.
Okay. So tell me. So you involved in chart of accounts creation, enterprise structure, another basic settings, right? So in GL
Yes,
Master, what is the purpose of open item management indicator? Tell me the examples. For which GLs we need to select open item management indicator.
for payables, print payable and salaries payables, we are using for open item management because we need to pay outstanding expenses, outstanding payables. We are using for open item management.
So user has unticked the open item management indicator. So he posted several entries. Now he want to correct. That means he want to tick once again the open item management indicator option. So tell me what kind of solution you will provide.
Go to FS00 will do, sir.
Okay, you just try it. So whether it is whether system is accept or not. After end of the class. Okay, this is end of the interview. Now this is time for another trainees. So how this the interview is, it is easy, tough, moderate, which level? I will ask from Swarna Kumar. Vinay, Praveen, Koteswarrao, Shivan Rekha. Tell me, is this interview easy or tough? Just open up your mouth here. Easy or tough?
Easy.
Easy. Okay. Koteswarrao.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, this interview is very easy, sir. Studying very easy.
Vinay, you tell me. You already attended that. Vinay, you there? Jivan, Rekha.
Yes, sir.
How this interviews?
It's okay, sir. We can
Oh,
answer.
okay. Swarna Kumari, you there? Your voice is not audible. Okay. Okay, Aruna, how you feel this interview? Is it good or bad? Which level?
Uh, not only for bookish knowledge, sir, not only for any searching knowledge, sir. When we are do that concept wise, we'll get everything, sir. And about this interview, it is like real time. I feel like that only because last time only I in after SAP training I attend that only one interview. It's same like only,
Okay, you
but
already attended one interview.
not only now, sir. 3 months back only, sir.
Yeah, you attend one interview, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how that and how this? What is the difference?
Nothing much, sir.
Okay, so you feel okay right now, or earlier how you given the presentation?
Now when I'm trying to give presentation before it is not confident, sir. Now, because now I know some answer. I can talk. I can give the presentation confidently because I don't know also. In case I'm trying to give something answer, in case I don't know also. Before I don't know. I don't have that much confidence levels. Before now it is fine, sir. And from these workshops we can get very good knowledge, and we are attending like this type of interviews is very good for me, sir.
Okay, fine. See, what are the mistakes you have done? I will tell you right away. See,
Yes, sir.
first thing is at the time of introduction, you tell about master data creation. Okay. So yes, so consultant will also participate for master data upload activity, not for creation. Okay, so you will create master data in the lower level servers, but not in the production system. In production system, you don't have any access for creation. Okay, so these things will be taken care by your end users or any master data team. Separate team will be there. Okay, but in production system, we don't have access for master data directly created in the production system. But you can tell to the interviewers, I created through LSMW. Okay, so BDC, so those things you can tell. Okay. The next thing is okay, self introduction part is fantastic, fun. And after that, you explaining everything in low confidence. Okay, low tone. So if you don't know any question, so your tone will become very slow, and you are not able to collecting the things properly. But sometimes you are all times I didn't get you, I didn't get you. So if you say like that, interview will frustrate you, and he don't take any interview for you. Okay, so you tell to the interviewer if you not understand. So you tell to the interviewer, sir, could you please repeat it again? I don't understand. That is not good thing. Okay, so you tell to the interviewer, so can you please repeat it, or could you please repeat, or please come again. So these kind of words you tell, but don't say I don't know, or I didn't understand. These kind of words don't use in the interview. And the next thing is Okay, you explained your client details. That's fine. But in somewhere, I'm asking about billing document generated, how it is generated. So what kind of errors will get at the time of building document that you didn't explain properly. Okay, so you were stuck. And VKOA settings fine. So your application condition that chart of accounts, that is okay. But so you didn't explain that ERL, ERF, ERS. Okay, that is not good. And cost of goods sold, GBP, right? So you didn't explain that. And somewhere you didn't explain the basic stuff else. So you need to improve more. And see, once again, you need to watch my videos. iDocs, you didn't tell, you were only telling that I was participating only partner profile partner. Again, you are telling the same thing. Don't say like that. Okay. So you tell all the configurations part in the iDoc. Then interview will ask you, so in which area you was involved. You can tell that time. So I was involved in the partner profile. Rest of the configuration will be taken care by our basis team, but I was supported them. So like that, you can express those things.
Sir,
You
I
can.
have doubts.
Hmm.
When interviewer asked about IDAC, we have to tell about configuration directly.
See, see, my question was, have you involved in iDocs configuration? Yes, you tell. Yes, iDocs configuration or all the configuration you tell. And in that, you was involved only partner profile configuration, W20. So in that partner profile configuration, you tell, so what kind of things are done in the partner profile? You just saying that I was involved only partner profile, instead of saying that, in partner profile, how the partner profile should be created. What is the partner profile? Okay, vendor, customer, bank. Okay, so these things at least. And what kind of messages will be applied for partner profile for vendors, customers. So how the execution will be done for vendor master from sending one logical system to another logical system. You tell all these points, you know. Okay, so don't say only single word. Right?
Okay.
Okay, so iDoc was not good and you DMU didn't prepare well. Okay, why? We already discussed the DMU. And one more biggest mistake that you have done is why you are saying enterprise structure. These are all basic stuff, right? Why are you saying enterprise structure?
In implementation, we are involved. Actually, have to say in
Yeah,
an interview.
implementation involved only enterprise structure, chart of account, and you said clearing 3 points only. These are all basic things. Like freshers will do this activity. You are saying that you are 8+ years of experience out of that 4+. Then these are all basic stuff. Don't say basic stuff to the interviewer. Nowadays, interview expectation is high level. They will expect from EBS. Okay, so this kind of DME, iDocs, FI2MM, FI2SD. Okay, these areas they will ask you. Not from the enterprise structure, global setting. These are all basic stuff. Don't ignore that. Even you have done, but you tell only enterprise structure, global settings, GL settings, APR, DME, iDocs, FI2MM, FI2SD. So like that. You tell only 3 points. That is the biggest mistake that you have done.
In implementation, suppose I did involved in partially, right? So what I have to tell in an interview
Not
point of view about the
critical part,
implementation.
important areas, not the basic stuff. Okay, so if you tell like that, most of the 100%, if you go to any interview, 100 people will say the same things like enterprise structure, global settings. Okay, so these are all basic stuff. Nobody will expect any question from these things. Okay, that is the reason I started FI2MM, FI2SD, DME, iDocs. Okay, and what is the document splitting, GRIR clearing scenarios? Okay, why we are saying these things instead of global settings, enterprise structure? You need to focus more on these areas.
Sir, suppose in implementation point of view, project what I have tell about GL. GL what I have to what
Yeah,
I did.
basic, why you are focusing basic things, madam? GL master
No,
can take if interview ask you open item management line item. Okay, so you can tell. So there is not required. So instead of GL, you say I was participated uploading LSMW, all the GL master, vendor master, customer master. Okay, so GL creation, they are basic stuff. Just ignore that. Right? Mm.
Yeah.
So that is the reason I'm taking important sessions only for these areas. Okay, you focus only that areas, so definitely will success. If you focus the basic level, then you will be there in the basic. Okay. All right. Anyhow, so this is first interview. You need to improve more.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Watch number of mock tests. Watch number of mock tests. Then you will get some idea. Okay. Don't explain with low confidence, no? Low tone. Okay. Even if you know or don't know, try to raise your voice. If you know the things, you can raise your voice. If you don't know, okay, that's fine. But if you know the things, but still you are in low tone, that means it's a low confidence. Got my point? Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So always try to explain with high tone, not low. Even you don't know, then ask the interviewers. I didn't come across this area or scenario in my previous experiences. Okay, no problem. So I will make a research. So just to give me one more opportunity, definitely I will come up with your expectation. Like that, you can manage yourself. Okay, but don't explain the things with low tone. That is the biggest mistake. Right. Okay. Anyhow, it's a nice presentation. Okay, but you need to improve more. Okay. Next, who is ready for mock test? Who is ready for mock test? Koteswar Rao, Praveen, Jeevan Rekha, Sarna Kumari.
Hello, sir. I came to my hometown. I didn't give the presentations. Once come back to Bangalore, I will give. I will ready to give the
Okay.
interview.
And Koteswar Rao. Then you will give the presentation.
Hello.
Yes.
Saturday, sir. I will presentation.
Saturday. Fine. And Jeevan Rekha, when?
I'll come up with the presentation on Monday, sir.
Okay, Monday. Fine.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Sarna Kumari, what about you? Will you give or directly will go for interview? Because almost you attended 3 interviews, right? If you say something, then I will correct. I will make you correct. Right. Okay, guys. This is